Hello guys and welcome back. So in this video we will be fixing the issue with the rifle animation. So for example, if we try to shoot and walk, as you can see, the player just slips when reloading and also when shooting, but when that is done the player then go to the walking back again. Okay, so we actually want to stop this. Okay, so let me tell you how this issue can be fixed. Right here on the rifle script at the top, let's create a bool by the name of is moving. Okay, then what we need to do that by using the movement value. Okay, right here we will say that if this movement value is greater than 0, then it means that the player is moving, or you can say the moving animation is being played. But if this movement value is less than 0, then it means that the player is not moving. So what we will do, we will just simply stop the player from moving while shooting. Okay, it means that if this value is greater than 0, then the player will not be able to shoot, but if it is equals to or less than 0, then it means the player is not moving, and then we will just allow the player to shoot. Okay, simple as that. Okay, so right here we will add a if condition, and then in here we will say animator dot get float. We want to get the movement value from the animator. Okay, then we will say that if this movement value is greater than 0.001, then it means that the player is moving. So what we will do, we will set this is moving bool to true. So we will say is moving equals to true. Okay, then we can simply just copy this if condition and paste it down below. Right here, change this to else if, and right here we will say that if this movement value is less than 0.09, and right here add this 9 6 times. So 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5, and at the last add 1 9 as well, so it is 6. Okay, so if it is less than this 0.09, then it means that the player is not moving, so we will set is moving to false. So you need to make sure that you type this value like this. Okay, 0.0 and add 9 6 time, and this should be similar to 0.001 as well. Okay, then right here when we shoot on the mouse left button, now in here we will add the condition that if this is moving is false. Okay, and when this is false, the player presses the mouse left button, then we will allow the player to shoot. Okay, so just simply save the game, get back to Unity, and now let's play the game. You will notice that first of all, if we activate the rifle mode, okay, the player is holding the rifle. If we now run, okay, as you can see the player is running and the is moving is true. So now if we try to shoot, as you can see the player is not shooting. But now if we stop and then shoot, as you can see, then the player shoots. Okay, when the is moving is false. Okay, and the reason behind this issue that, for example, if the is moving set to false, okay, and then we shoot, and after reloading, as you can see the player doesn't move, but after a few seconds the player then move. Okay, so this is due to this transition, okay, which is from this reload back to the rifle aim. Right here remove this as exact time, that is it. Okay, and when you remove that, then this issue will be fixed as well. You will notice if we activate the shooting mode, okay, let's shoot, and as you can see now the player get back to walking quickly. Okay, so now the issue is fixed. Now the player can only shoot if the player is not moving, and in the next video we will add this aiming system as well to our rifle. So with this done, I will see you guys in the next one.